Alright, today I'm going to be cooking udon noodle soup. Right here I have udon noodles to make the soup, shrimp flavor to be exact, and I also have some sausage as well as green onion. Alright, so let's get started with this. Let's flip on the back. Here are the instructions. Add noodles to 1.5 cups of boiling water. As you can see, I have boiling water. Let's go ahead and add that. And it says cook for 2 to 3 minutes. All right. So I'm just going to open up the package, fresh package of udon noodles. All right. Here is the seasoning packet. Put that to the side. And then I'm going to have to open this right here at the top. And we're going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes like the package says. So I'm going to add the udon noodles to the pot. And then I'm going to actually stir the pot, man. All right, so I'm going to stir the pot a little bit. Break up the noodles. I hate breakups, but sometimes they are necessary. All right, and then so this is going to be cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. While all this is going on, I'm just going to go ahead and get my bowl ready. But before I get my bowl ready, I'm going to read the rest of the instructions. All right, chefs, read the instructions, right? It says, add soup base just before turning the heat off. Serve immediately. I'm going to do things differently because I'm a chef. All right. I'm going to take the bowl right here. See the bowl? I'm going to add the seasoning mix directly to the bowl. All right. So I have the bowl right here. I'm going to add the seasoning mix to the bowl. Just like that. And then I'm going to add my meat. Put your meat in the bowl. Right here. I have cooked sausage. Put my sausage in the bowl. And then I'm going to add the green onion. Alright, so I added all of these ingredients. But I'm also going to add one more thing. A little bit of ginger. Alright. I'm going to add ginger directly to the pot because I like the aroma of ginger and I like it to permeate into the noodle. All right, so I'm adding ginger. Whoop, hot. Whoa. All right, didn't mean to add it like that, so I have the ginger right here. Ginger right here that kind of rhymes. And I'm going to knock it off into the pot and let that boil. So it's been good 2 to 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to get the noodles stirred just gently like this. Make sure the ginger gets all around. And I'm going to take the noodles and I'm going to put them into my bowl like this. All right. Make sure I get the noodles, put them into the bowl, the udon. I'm going to turn off the fire because fire is hot, if you guys didn't know. Zoom out a little bit. Put the noodles into the bowl. Just like this. It smells good, looks good. All right, put the fire into the bowl. Just like that. All right. And once I have that in the bowl, I'm going to add as much water as I'd like. So let me go ahead and add some water to the bowl. All right. And then I'm going to take my spoon and just stir the seasoning in there and let the seasoning permeate the noodles, the green onion, the ginger. There you have it. Udon noodle soup. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.